How to delete Instagram comments. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can delete Instagram comments. So let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app and then you simply have to click your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now simply choose any post that you want to delete comments from. For example, I'm going to just comment over here, and then you simply have to open the post and click the comment section over here. And here you have to just choose this comment that you want to delete and slide it to the left side. And it's going to give you these three options. You have to click this dustbin over here and then you can just delete this comment like so. So that's the process that you can follow to delete a comment on Instagram. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.